Good morning, Clearborough, North Dallas. Just finishing up a 2016 Land Rover LR4. This Rover, we did full front, Expel Ultimate Plus, and full paint correction and Heallite added to the rest of the vehicle. Over the bra, we used a 5-year ceramic by Feynlabs. But you can see that when we do these Land Rovers, we actually don't have any edging around this. So everything goes in over the bra. Even in here, no edging around those. So, and of course everything gets wrapped around the edges, just like the fender wells. All that gets wrapped inside all these areas here. All this gets wrapped. So everything gets done very nicely, no cutting corners, and all the paint is polished up. This guy's got about, I think, 48,000 miles, maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure. 69,000 miles, my bad. Car looks great though. It's got plenty of life left, and the owner of this vehicle wrapped it up, got the paint corrected back to new, and it looks like it's ready to go another 10 or 15 years. So always add some paint correction, add a little clear brow, and you get a brand new car, and it can last a long time. So looks great, ready for the road and all the elements that can be thrown at it, and get some more life out of it. You need anything done on a car, any questions? Clearborough, North Dallas, give us a call, 940-703-8301. Thank you.